Welcome to Windows Guide. If you wish to fix any Windows Update error on your system, then please watch this video. We have a script to reset Windows Update components. Copy this script. Make sure that you have copied every command. Now, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. This will open the elevated command prompt window. Paste the command list to the elevated command prompt window. That's it. The script will stop services related to Windows updates, delete the contents of the software distribution and catroot 2 folders, re-register all related DLL files, reset WinSock, and then reactivate the services. Restart your computer and the problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? Please let us know in the comments section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.